Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to create a Similarweb account. It's quick and easy, so let's jump straight into it. So you are going to jump into similarweb.com. You will find yourself here on the top right hand side. You're going to click on Get Started. Now you'll be taken through a process so that the software can understand who you are and what it is that they can offer. So I'm just going to close this. And we're going to say create your free account. You can add in a work email, or you can go ahead and click on sign up with Google or even LinkedIn. I'm going to use my Google account. We're going to now click on get started to set up our account. So you want to know how you'll be using it. So either for school, work, university, or personal. You are now going to also choose a job title, so you can search in over here. So let us just say manager, and you can now choose what type of manager you are. You're going to go ahead now and click on next, and you want to then choose your seniority level. So you can choose from here more or less where you stand within the company. You can also see here that there is an opportunity to add a company website. So you want to go and add it in over here. You'll now choose how many people work at your company. Click on next, and then you'll have to choose your industry. So let's just say media production, and we're going to click on next. You will now have to add your phone number. Okay, so all of these details you can change in your settings. So you'll have to choose your country code and then enter your mobile number. You'll now also have to add in a work email. And if you don't have a work email or a professional email, you can go and skip this step. You'll now be given 3 options in terms of what package you would be best suited for. And if you'd like to change the choice, you can just click on the blue dot on the top right hand side. You're going to go ahead and click on start trial. If you are interested in using their API, you can just select the toggle switch over here. You'll now have the opportunity to invite teammates. So you can add emails here, or you can just copy the invite link and you can send that invite link to whomever you want to using any social media network. You'll see now that you'd have to add in the choice of billing cycle, so either monthly, yearly. However, you will get your 7-day free trial and you can cancel that anytime. And we're going to click on next. On the left hand side, you will add in all of your credit card details, and you will choose the details for your invoice. So first name, last name, again, your phone number, country, and on the right hand side, you have a choice now again to either have it monthly billed or annually billed. You'll get your total amount. You'll see that today the amount due is $0, and you're going to click on start your 7-day free trial now.